Hey Brooklyn and beyond. I hope you're well and staying sweet. It's been a tough one here. I have a few more circles under my eyes this week, and I have a few more hairs that are silver gray that my hat doesn't cover. And it's almost May. How did that happen? But all the rain has brought some beautiful flowers in Brooklyn, and so we are going to celebrate by decorating some flower sugar cookies. But these flowers reside in Octopus's Garden. So now that you all have that song stuck in your head, it happens like that. And wash your hands, put some gloves on, and let's get started. So in your kit, you're going to get sorted cookie shapes, octopus or cephalopod, a surfboard, a music note, treble clef, and an assortment of flowers, and a starfish. I'm going to show you real quickly how to decorate these. Now you can do whatever you want and use your imagination. I'm going to do a couple different flower designs. I really like to do funky flowers, and I feel like in an octopus's garden there would be funky flowers. So I'm going to focus on doing some of those. And you're also going to get an assortment of sprinkles and some different colors of royal icing. Now, when you get your royal icing in your kit, you're going to want to leave it at room temperature, and then you're going to massage these bags because they do separate a little bit. So do that to all your bags. Give them a good massage. So make sure that they're mixed up pretty well. And then you're going to cut the tip off the very end. Not too much. You can always cut more off if you need to. So I'm going to start with octopus, of course. Here we go. So I hope you had fun decorating funky flowers, cephalopods, and surfboards from Octopus's Garden. And I hope you're staying sweet and well and hugging those in your 6-foot circle with all 8 arms. You have 8 arms, right? No? Till next time, Brooklyn and beyond, stay well, stay sweet, and eat lots of cookies.